Hello, YouTube land. Now, for all of you aspiring floor sanders or somebody who just wants to do it themselves, a very huge problem is loading a slotted drum sander correctly. This one you need wrenches to do, which I have, and I'm going to give you some huge tips here. First off, you need a template. You know, you can, it's very difficult to cut a correct sheet of paper without it. And this template, we can, you know, they're available to online supply houses. I've already cut a sheet, but, you know, razor knife, cut it. There's my kitty, big boy, he came to visit me. All right, so what we're going to do now, let me zoom this thing in. Okay, this is the most important part. You have the paper cut to size, and this is a Clark American ink sander, by the way. All right. You notice the angle. It's sloping. The downward part always goes to the right. So I'm placing it in. And we tightly roll it around, making sure that it is lined up with the drum. Then you hold it there because you don't want it to, you don't want slack. That's the number one reason that breaks up the paper. Now, you cut a little piece like this because that helps secure it. Place that in. Okay. Now, tighten it. Now, what you're looking for over here, let me make sure we're still in focus. Okay. This paper is actually not that great, but I only have a little bit to go in this room, it'll do. You can see I came over a little bit too far, but what you're looking for, you don't want to see air gaps in there. You need it tight, because if it's loose, it flutters, which puts marks in the floor, and also the paper will break, which can be pretty frightening to a beginner. But anyway, you can see we're loaded and ready to go. And that is the process. What makes it easy is the template. They're usually available for, under 30 bucks. They are gold. And like I say, you need it tight, but you don't want to make it too tight. I put that little sliver of paper in there. It helps it get a grip. So it holds the paper, because when the paper breaks, it's loud and it's nasty, and if it does, turn off the machine right away and put the drum down and stop it, because a broken paper will, it can damage your rubber pad on your sander. So anyway, I believe that's a wrap, and this is one of the hugest parts of floor sanding that beginners struggle with. So, I hope this video has helped you. And anyway, if you find this content useful, the old cliche, please like, please subscribe. I'm planning on having a heck of a lot more content coming out on all kinds of areas. My kitty, he wants to go back out. But let me get my boy in infamy. This is my kitty, big boy. I love this guy. He's great. Except he can be a pain in the neck sometimes, like he is right Like, subscribe if you can. It'll help me out. And I'm going to have all kinds of powerful, crazy content coming out. And I hope you guys all subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get more info. I will make a floor sanding expert out of you. And I'm also a professional house washer, power washer. And in the summertime, I'll be giving golden, super valuable tips to that. Anyway, YouTube land, you have a fantastic day. Stay safe. And also, everything in my videos, this is the way I do things. These are for demonstration purposes. Please realize if you attempt any techniques or duplicating anything in any of my videos, you do so at your own risk. And by watching this video, you hold me 100% not liable, because we have a lot of crazy people out there. Anyway, love yous. Big boy says goodbye. Peace out.